Hi guys, thanks for taking your time out today to come on my channel and watch another great video from yours truly. Today I wanted to do something really special and make a beautiful video honoring our nation. Did you know that 247 years ago, yes, that's how long it's been, in 1776, on July 4th, it was the first time we claimed our independence from Great Britain. It was the first time we became a nation. It was the first time we adopted the Declaration of Independence. It was the first time we could honor our colonies and states by putting stars representing the 50 states on our flag and the 13 stripes honoring our colonies. I bet you're all wondering why too. Where did the fireworks come in? Well, let me give you a little fun fact that I absolutely adore. July 8th, just 4 days after we claimed our independence from Great Britain, they publicly read the Declaration of Independence at Independence Square, Philadelphia, and they read it out loud for the first time publicly to a crowd and our nation. After the reading was publicly read, we celebrated as a nation by blaring loud music, lighting up bonfires, and just having explosive fireworks that just brought everyone together. And it was so beautiful. And if I could have been back there 247 years ago, I wonder what that would look like. In this video today, you guys, in 2023, I'm going to show you what our 4th of July celebrating our independence looks like today. We're going to take a look around today, and I'm going to show you guys what celebrating 4th of July, our Independence Day in 2023 looks like in the great state of California and the city of Santa Barbara. There was 2 tickets left to go on the Firework tour tonight. And guess who got tickets? Me. Wharf Pier in Santa Barbara, and we're going to be boarding this bad boy right here. It is a 2-story, 70-foot yacht. Azure Seas Celebration Cruises. We're going on a 2.5-hour cruise, and while we're doing that, we're going to see fireworks. So I hope you guys enjoy the show.